revised trajectory and moon impact probability. But here's where the story takes a wild turn. As more telescopes locked onto 2024 YR4, especially the ultra-precise eyes of NASA and ESA, it became clear that our worst fears might not come true. With each new data point and trajectory calculation, the chances of a direct Earth impact dropped, and after weeks of number crunching and celestial math, scientists revised their conclusion: Earth is safe, at least from this one. But before we could all relax, a new twist emerged. While it might not hit Earth, there's now a 3.8% chance it could crash into the moon on December 22, 2032. Wait, what? The moon? You read that right. Our quiet, familiar lunar companion might be in the crosshairs. And while the chances still aren't high, they're enough to keep astronomers wide-eyed. Because here's the fun part: if it hits the moon, we might actually see it happen. The impact could be so bright it's visible from Earth with just binoculars or even the naked eye, depending on the angle. And unlike Earth, the moon doesn't have an atmosphere to protect it. So if YR4 strikes, it's going to hit hard, creating a fresh crater and lighting up the sky in a moment no one would forget. From Earth danger to lunar fireworks show, this asteroid just keeps rewriting its own story.